Doing things together and bonding in a long-distance relationship. 1. Share a story. Create something that both of you can access and use, like a blog or online scrapbook. This will open up new channels of communication for you and offer you a sense of accomplishment as a team. You could start a food blog to document your gastronomic exploits, an Instagram account to document your workouts, or a unique Twitter hashtag for the two of you. 2. Concurrently carry out the same actions. The space between you will appear less and easier to cross as a result. You'll bond while also feeling more connected to one another. 3. Discover together. Pick a task that interests you both, such as learning to knit or enrolling in an online language course. Do anything both of you find appealing. You'll feel a strong connection to one another and have a beautiful feeling of shared history as a result. Additionally, it's a terrific opportunity to spend time with your loved one while providing conversation topics. 4. Make one another feel valued. Make an effort to show the other person that you care through small gestures. You can compose love notes and mail them. Alternately, send unintentional cards, flowers, or tiny gifts. Finding ways to send nearly anything to your lover is now simpler than ever. 5. Follow shared interests. Even if it means doing them separately, try new things together. By doing this, you avoid relying solely on phone conversations, which can be a problem in long-distance relationships if that's all you ever do. Instead, while on the phone, engage in a romantic activity like stargazing. Set your watches to go off at the same time every day, synchronize them, and remember to think of each other when they do. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.